When Alfred Nobel died in December 1896 in San Remo, Italy, he was one of the richest men in Europe. At the time, it was unclear where his home was, which of his properties could be called his home, and this was important because they needed to know in which country his will would be probated. It turned out that at that time, he spent a long time in France. The Paris court decided that his home was in a place called Karlskoga in Sweden. This is because Alfred has his horses in a stable in Karlskoga, and according to French law at that time, a man's home where his horses were located. So the will was probed in Sweden, and then his relatives were surrounding when the will was read. He had no children, he wasn't married, and they were shocked to find out that the vast majority of Alfred Nobel's fortune would go to the establishment of the Nobel Foundation and the Nobel Prizes. They rejected that, and there were a number of lawsuits that followed over the years. And this is why the first prize was awarded in 1901, 5 years after Nobel died.